What is augmented reality? Augmented reality is an advanced computer technology that adds on immersive media content to existing real world by means of mapping 3D objects and images into our real world environment. They can be used in mobile phones through camera and can also be done through web. And recently a fascinated game called Pokemon Go, which was based on the fictional characters Pokemon, was developed through this augmented reality. So how this is going to help architecture and how the future is based to it. Let me show a example or a demo. Recently there are numerous softwares to develop augmented reality, and many have started using augmented reality to showcase their products, because a client or a consumer would love to experience his products before being built or before being constructed and bringing it into the real world environment. And one such famous software for creating augmented reality is Unity software. This Unity software is famous for its game designing. So they have developed a stable platform through which we could build anything in augmented reality. So this is the app which you have to download it on your mobile through Google Play Store. This QBT Go app is aided by the Unity software, which is already been installed on my personal computer. So after encoding my model through Unity software, I have uploaded in cloud storage, and now the model is right available here through cloud syncing. So I have to click this option, and it might take few seconds based on the file size. So the screen you are seeing right now is just like the SketchUp. You could visually experience the model, 3D model right here on your screen. But the need is we have to bring our model and show it to our clients in our real world. So this is gonna help us. We have to click augmented reality mode, and it might take few seconds again, and we have to calibrate our model. Yeah, now the model gets pinned right here. So if we move our screen here or there, it will show the model is being pointed right here. So you could scale based as per your wish, so that it would help in explaining to the client or the reviewer. So this is my passenger terminal building. It has two wings on either of its side. So this passenger terminal building has 3 floors on its side. Has 3 floors on its either of its side. So the ground floor is completely for the ticketing and baggage depositing area, and the first floor is for arrival area, and the second floor is for the departure area. And right now we are seeing is a parametric overhanging structure. This structure is gonna create such wonderful patterns down here. So passenger while walking through this platform could experience the light and shadow play. And this bridge is gonna connect the passenger terminal building with these 2 wings. These 2 wings are your boarding lounges on either of its side. So these boarding lounges connects passengers to its flight, and these boarding lounges too has some facade design on its either of its side. So as you could see, it has some vertical louvers, and these louvers keep on changing. These are dynamic louvers. Like you could literally see the louver starts like this, but on the end it ends in a different manner like this. So this is how I have created my facade. And these wings, underneath these wings, is where the public transport is gonna drop the passenger. So passenger could literally see this. like a normal wall, and when passengers choose to move toward near it and get dropped here, and if they needed to go to that side, they will turn this towards this direction, and this part of the facade will reveal itself. And when they need to go to this direction, passengers will turn this side and the facade will reveal its direction. So the entire facade is created like an optical illusion. So this is how an augmented reality model could help you, and it's just a basic demo version. And I'm sure that people will start developing even more stable software, and their entire architecture world will depend upon this augmented reality mode once it is in its full existence. And you could literally place it anywhere where you want. Like right now, I'm gonna place it on my desktop where I'm gonna work. So this is where I'm working, and if I need to place it here, it's so simple that you have to do the same procedure once again. You have to click the same mode, and you have to calibrate it according. It might take some time as per the surface. If the surface is so dark, it might take some time. Yeah. So see, literally my model is right here on my working place. So you could sit here and you could actually visualize your design and change it according to on your PC. And this will be so convenient if the platform gets even more stable. What I'm doing now is just a demo, and I'm fond of exploring such new softwares in architecture technology. Thank you.